What if I told you the reason you have nothing to wear has nothing to do with your closet? You went shopping, you got everything from your Pinterest board, but somehow you're still standing in front of your wardrobe saying, I have nothing to wear. Everyone online just says, build a capsule wardrobe, get better basics, duh. And yeah, I tried that too. But here's what no one tells you. Buying more clothes doesn't fix this. Because the problem isn't your style, it's your shopping mindset. You're buying for someone you used to be, not the version of you you're becoming. I used to buy so many trendy pieces, shop only during sales, and do massive wardrobe cleanouts, but nothing clicked. Now, I wear 80% of my wardrobe regularly. I love how I dress, and I spend way less doing it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful mindset shifts that change the way I shop, style, and feel in my own clothes. So you can finally stop overspending and start dressing like the most you version of yourself. What if I told you the clothes you like the least are messing up your wardrobe? People usually think the problem is not having enough good clothes. But in reality, the actual chaos comes from the bad clothes. The ones that don't fit right, that don't reflect who you are, or make you feel weirdly self-conscious. They just sit there quietly and affect everything. Next time you're getting dressed, take a note of the pieces that make you go, oh, not this again, or maybe later, because these pieces are wasting your mental energy and decision power. Try taking out just 3 to 5 of these pieces and hiding them, because they are like the dusty Tupperware lids of your wardrobe. They take up space, don't match anything, and low-key piss you off. Your lowest energy pieces drain your confidence without you even realizing. But when they're gone, your style gets 10 times more elevated and you didn't have to add anything more to your wardrobe. But here's the thing. Removing these pieces is only the beginning, because if you don't do this next thing, then your new style is still going to be disconnected from who you really are. I remember looking at my closet one day and thinking, none of this feels like me anymore. But I hadn't changed my clothes. I had just outgrown my older identity. We always think style issues come from a lack of clarity or inspiration, but usually you're not confused about what to wear. You're just dressing for an older version of you. That version might have been quiet or practical or trend chasing, but you right now, you've evolved, but your wardrobe hasn't yet caught up. Start by asking yourself this. If I met the woman I want to be 1 year from now, what would she wear? How would she move? What kind of energy would she carry? Now look at your wardrobe and see what fits that image. That will tell you instantly what you have to upgrade and what you have to let go of. Your clothes reflect who you used to be. When you finally let your wardrobe mirror your current identity, not your past, not someone else's Pinterest board, you'll feel aligned, confident, and effortless. That's when the magic happens. If your future self walked into your room right now and saw your closet, would she say, yep, that's totally me? Or would she cringe a little? I know that was a lot to take in, especially if your closet is full of old clothes and old energy. If you want help putting all of this into action without the overwhelm, I've created a free wardrobe reset starter kit. It's super simple inside. I'll walk you through how to detox the worst 5 items from your closet, define your future self aesthetic, and create 3 go-to outfits from the items that you already have. Just comment below reset and I'll send it to you. Now the next one might sound a little weird at first, but trust me, it's the fastest way to tell if an outfit is right for you. The most flattering outfits aren't the ones that make you feel good. They're the ones that make you feel powerful. If you've ever worn something that looks amazing in the mirror, but the moment you stepped out, you felt small or uncomfortable. That's what I mean by energy. You don't need more compliments. You need more yes from your own body. The next time you try something on, ask yourself, does this expand me or contract me? Or rather, does this energize me or confine me? You'll be surprised. Some pretty clothes feel stiff. Some simple ones feel magnetic. Start noticing what gives you a full body yes and what doesn't. Energy never lies. Style isn't about impressing others. It's about showing up as your most energetic and expressive self for you. And when you start dressing that way, people don't just notice your clothes, they feel your presence. Alright, girls, so here's the recap. The pieces you like the least are silently draining your confidence. Clear them out, and you'll instantly feel lighter and more in control of your style. If your wardrobe feels off, it's probably because you're dressing for a version of you that you've outgrown. Update it to match the person you're becoming. And don't just dress to look good, dress to feel powerful. Your energy is the real outfit. If you're stuck in a cycle of shopping and regret, Trust me, it's not a discipline problem, it's a clarity problem, and you can change this. If you're still with me, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below and tell me what I should create next. Bye.